Explosive renovation of Hong Kong's 3 square meters coffin house. Liam decided to leave his hometown and move to Hong Kong, using all his savings to buy a house. However, the space he bought is less than 4 square meters in total, barely the size of a coffin. Now he plans to completely remodel the room like this. Firstly, install a wall cabinet and a floor cabinet. Put an electronic diagram above the left side and a washing machine underneath for easy access. It's handy to have a sink on the right side for washing vegetables and fruits, making them easy to clean. The lower cabinet adds convenience to everyday life. Add a small wall cabinet above where you can store Liam's favorite childhood snacks. Below the counter, create an open space for bottles and seasoning jars. Place tiles on the middle wall behind these bottles for easy cleaning. Place a movable desk by the window where Liam works hard to pay off the mortgage around the clock. Replace the developer's original sliding windows with one-touch hydraulic folding windows. They function as windows when closed and transform into a balcony when opened. This setup allows Liam to enjoy some freedom and refreshment even during work breaks. Construct a bed frame using galvanized square steel and cover it with eco-friendly wood veneer. Add a soft mattress to create a comfortable bed. Include a small sliding mechanism for easy access in and out of bed. Install an air conditioner on the wall and, if possible, expand the space by borrowing a square meter from the neighbor to fit a large wardrobe where Liam can hang his shirts. Pre-install the toilet's water tank and use red brick tiles for the foundation. Set up a smart wall-mounted toilet and place a smart mirror above it, perfect for a wealthy man to admire his reflection daily. Install a built-in shower on the opposite wall with plentiful water flow. Add a drafting table and a mini sink on the left as a washing area. Use matching anti-skid tiles on both the floor and walls. Finish with opaque glass partitions. Despite its small size, this room packs many essential home features.